What after death, if it is found that Allah does not exist? Story of HARESASH Kumar. After PhD in physics, I got a lecturer post in a leading university in India. Hinduism was already hated. In 1986, while studying in London, he was introduced to the lectures and books of Stephen Hawking, so that he denied God. And such a disbeliever that he used to have full discussions with the big Muslim, Christian and Jewish scholars. Even Dr. Zakir Naik could not convince me. The doctor says that on a holiday morning in 2005, a Muslim greengrocer made a bee. We were buying vegetables from him for the last 20 years. That day I offered him tea and he accepted. As usual, he started arguing with him about the existence of God or Allah. A 30-minute conversation revealed that he is a simple Muslim who prays 5 times. Yes, he was very frank and honest in his dealings. Sold at reasonable price. Finally, while walking, he said something that changed my life. Dr. G, you yourself said that for about 6,000 to 10,000 years, stories of prophets have been going on in human history and all of them talk about one God and heaven and hell. And science cannot answer the situation after death. So now there are only 2 possibilities. 1. Allah does not exist. 2. Allah is. If Allah does not exist, then after death we both will be equal. But if Allah is present after going ahead, then you will be caught again. Who benefited in both cases, you decide for yourself. Therefore, it is better to believe in Allah and follow His instructions. His Quran says that man should follow the straight path. I lectured on probability all my life. But after he left, I thought that I never paid attention to this probability. That in both cases he who believes in Allah is in benefit. Long story short, after this thought, I thought which heavenly religion is better. I already had enough knowledge of religions. In one of Dr. Zakir Naik's lectures, he heard that the entire Quran has been one letter for 1400 years, so he discovered the truth from the Christian Missionary Institute in England. So everyone confirmed it. Alhamdulillah, today it has been 15 years since I and my whole family became Muslims. I shifted to Kerala for Islamic studies. My 3 daughters are Hafiz Quran memorizers. And Allah changed my life. But I could not meet this vegetable man Abdul Ahad again. But I also changed my name to Abd al-Ahad after accepting Islam because he was a true Muslim.